In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a variation of a plank in yoga that can target your biceps muscles. I just released a video that explains that in yoga, we really don't do any kinds of significant training for your pulling muscles, and we really don't do anything for your biceps. So if we want to start to incorporate sneaky little tricks to maybe give those areas of the body a little more love, a little more attention, because they often get neglected, then this is one way that you can incorporate that into your yoga practice. Let's check it out. So on a mat, if we are doing a plank normally, our shoulders are going to be above our wrists and we'll take the feet out long and we're just basically going to stand here. This would be a pressing exercise. This is going to strengthen your chest, your anterior deltoids, and your serratus anterior and some other muscles. But if we make a couple modifications with the direction the fingertips are pointing and where our shoulders are in relationship to our wrists, we can start to load up the biceps muscles, the anterior or front side of the forearm as well. So if we take our shoulders forward, we would be more likely to load the front of the arm. However, there's a roadblock when we go forward into this planche position, because you would need really significant wrist extension in order to achieve that. So what we're gonna do, and this actually helps us target the biceps, is we're gonna spin the fingertips out, and not just out, but straight backwards. So if you point the fingertips straight backwards, then you can move your shoulders forward of the wrists without putting strain on the wrists, okay? Now you might be tempted to have your fingertips point straight out to the sides, because then as you rock forward, you can use your thumbs as a brake in case you go too far forward. But the more that you do that, the more you point your fingertips out or forward, the more you are capable of using your front forearm muscles to brake yourself, and then that takes away the work that your bicep could be doing. So if your fingertips point straight back, then you're going to really load up the biceps as you do this. Now, I would suggest that if you're just getting used to this, you use a knee and place your knee forward so that you can control how much weight you put into the arm. So as you rock forward, your knee is there, and you can basically self-impose an isometric contraction. So your knee is here to support your weight as much as you'd like it to, and then you can press your forearms and try to slide your arms forward. And that's gonna load up the biceps muscles. Now, as you get used to it, you can slide the knee back and really shift the shoulders forward. And then eventually you can start to get into a plank position, and you're just trying to slide the hands forward. And this is gonna load up more into the biceps. And then this is an obvious transition into a planche, where you're doing a plank and you essentially are able to lift and hover both legs at the same time and do an arm balance. And that would be, of course, extremely difficult, and that would really put a lot of load into the biceps. So if you're really trying to train the biceps and you just hate lifting weights, then this would be a progression of exercises that you can target the biceps so they don't get neglected, and just do it on your mat and do it with body weight. So I hope that helps. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in personal training online, go to my website and you can schedule a free discovery call and see if we're a good fit for each other. I work with people to program their exercises and help guide you on the way to really take control of your own health. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.